So the Debt Recovery Tribunal, or the DRT, has ruled against Vijay Mallya and in fact in favor of the consortium that has been led by the SBI. And in fact, this basically means that Diageo cannot disburse any of the money that it has to give to Vijay Mallya, which amounts to $75 million. And this case is to be heard again on the 28th of March. Diageo, remember, was to pay $75 million to Vijay Mallya in lieu of his exit from USL, and Mallya had stepped down as the chairman of USL just last month, and this was his severance package, which the SBI had challenged.
The application filed by the bank has been allowed. Temporarily, we have been restrained not to receive the money. Yes, the it is the bank's application which has been allowed right now. Temporarily, it will be decided again by the court on the 28th of March. Yes. No.
All right, so right now the lawyer is not really giving too much away, but finally the law seems to be closing in on Vijay Mallya. He will not be able to access any of the 515 crore rupees approximately that he has managed to get from Diageo as a severance package. Yesterday, remember, he had released a statement where he had said that he has no intention of absconding, and in fact that he has been trying to reach a one-time settlement with the consortium of 17 banks which have challenged this payout of $75 million to Vijay Mallya by Diageo. Kingfisher Airlines, which is owned by Vijay Mallya, owes in excess of 7,000 crore rupees to these banks, and this consortium, of course, led by SBI, had challenged the payout of this 515 crore rupees to Vijay Mallya, saying that it is the banks to which Mallya owes money who have the first right over all of this money. This, of course, was the first official statement made by Vijay Mallya since February 25, when he had announced that he had reached a settlement of this 500 plus crore rupees with the UK-based company in lieu of exiting United Spirits, and Diageo has a controlling interest in United Spirits. I'll just quote from his statement again. He also said, "My statement as to my personal future after quitting Diageo, that I want to spend more time in England closer to my children, has been grossly distorted and misportrayed. I wish to reduce my business commitments gradually and devote more time to my family, and that my resignation from United Spirits was a step in this direction," unquote. Pooja is now joining us live from Bangalore. Any more reactions that you're getting from Team Mallya?
Well, at this point of time, the only thing that Mallya's lawyer confirmed is what the judge said, that the disbursement of the money has been put on hold temporarily. And if there is anything, let's remember that the deal had only been signed on paper. It was yet to reach, any of it was yet to reach Vijay Mallya. So if any of the money has already reached him, then that will be automatically, temporarily attached to the banks. That's what the order says. But at this point of time, we are given to understand that none of the money has reached them. So it has been stayed, and it is Diageo has been asked not to disburse any of the money. Now, of course, the other three petitions that were filed by SBI regarding his arrest, impounding of his passport, and full disclosure of all of Mallya's assets in India and abroad will be heard on the 28th of March.